All right. Good evening, students. Good evening, students. Boleh dengar tak suara teacher? Can? All right. Good evening. Okay, that's nice. Okay, students, kita akan start dengan what we call that, your kertas model, your model questions, because you guys are going to sit for exam, right? So kita akan start buat banyak kertas model. So the faster you guys can answer the question, the faster you guys can interact, then we can do more questions. Okay, so if kalaulah kita belum belajar lagi that particular topic in your school, never mind, just let me know. Then mungkin minggu depan teacher will just go do a very quick revision for that what we call that, for that particular chapter. Okay, all right. Now, pelajar mana yang belum dapat material kertas model? Belum dapat lagi? Okay, wait. Let me forward to you guys first. Pelajar yang dah ada kertas material tu, keep it ready. Kita akan mulakan in a short while. Suddenly got so many messages. Teacher, link YouTube tak ada ke? I think the admin already sent to you guys already. Apa lagi? Saya try USL selepas minggu penggal ni. That's, yeah, I think most of you guys kan? Belajar konven belum? Which subject is this? Very good questions. Wait and find out. Okay, alright, come. Let's start. Dah ada tak material? Students, everyone? Teacher just forward it to you. Boleh buka tak? The PDF, is it okay? Boleh ya? Okay. Alright, as usual, before we start, number one, I will be teaching here. Kalau teacher miss out any of your questions, the rest tolong jawabkan. Do it respectfully. Don't be sarcastic. They are asking a genuine question. Okay, that's number one. Number two, do not talk unnecessary things in my chat box. Your chat box is only for you to discuss answers with me. Okay, and also to talk about this particular chapter. Okay, and then number three, be respectful. Don't discuss unnecessary things. Don't talk unnecessary things, and do not spam. Okay, when you spam, it's very difficult for me and it will hang as well. Okay, because ada pelajar yang nak belajar. Alright, ready? Shall we start? Hey, this is form 2. Okay, wait, teacher share screen one more time. 555. Form 3. Bab berapa ni? Baru je teacher explain, berbuih dulu saya explain. Kita buat kertas model, my dear. Okay, come. Let's start. Okay. Okay, bahagian A, 20 questions, 20 marks. Do as much as you can. Kalau tak faham, let me know. Teacher will explain. Kalau belum belajar dekat sekolah lagi, let me know as well. Teacher akan buatkan, we will do it next week. Quick revision, Okay, come. Nombor 1. The diagram shows Ali waiting at the start of the race. When Ali hears the starting gun, he starts to run. Which of the following shows the pathway of impulse of the action? Laluan aliran impuls bagi tindakan tersebut. Which one? Bila dia dengar bunyi tembakan, he starts to run. So, yang mana? Dia dengar dulu. So, untuk mendengar, to listen, of course, telinga lah, which is A and also B. So, kita boleh potong yang ni. Then, telinga dia akan hantar message pada otak. Otak will instruct, bagi arahan pada otot. It will instruct the muscle A. Easy as that. Okay? Alright, nombor 2. This shows a longitudinal section of eye with defective vision. Penglihatan cacat, keratan membujur, yang manakah, kanta yang manakah boleh digunakan untuk membetulkan kecacatan tersebut. Okay, what can we do to correct the vision defect? Okay, wait, teacher show the gambar this side. Okay. Cuba tengok gambar dulu and then tell me the defect and how to correct the defect. The defect and how to correct the defect. Baru je teacher start. Now only teacher started. Yang ini this one. Hey, wait. You guys can see my screen or not, Why nobody was telling me? Senyap, semacam je. Cakaplah teacher, where is your screen? I cannot see your screen. My goodness. Okay, ni, This one. Sama. Sama means I also didn't know. You guys cannot see. Okay, cuba tengok mata. Cuba Cuba tengok mata dekat sini and then tell me what is the defect. Defectnya yang ini. Sepatutnya line ini dia kena ada dekat sini baru kita boleh nampak, right? Tetapi dekat sini line ni dia dekat sini, dekat tengah-tengah. Tengah-tengah tak ada apa-apa, right? There is nothing there. So macam mana kita boleh how can we correct this defect? How? Yes. We will use kanta cekung, concave lens. Okay. Yang ini, image ni, image hadapan in front of retina. Dekat sini, tengah-tengah ni, dia kosong, tak ada apa-apa. Correct? Image ni, dia kena jatuh pada retina, baru kita boleh nampak. Okay, then only we can see. Kalau dia jatuh dekat sini, then the penglihatan dia akan kabur. So, we need to use concave lens. Okay, we need to use kanta cekung. So, kanta cekung, dia macam ni. It looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. Amna, it's A. It's A. Alright, number 3. Okay, this is my favorite question. Antara berikut, yang manakah berlaku semasa tarikkan nafas when you inhale? Dah banyak kali soalan, kita buat soalan ni. When you inhale, apa yang akan terjadi? Kalau kita menarik nafas. Tarik nafas. Cuba tarik nafas and see. A, C, A, C, C, C. Serious Are you sure? Okay, let's go through one by one. Isi padu rongga thorax berkurang. The volume of the thoracic cavity decreases. Berkurang, kurang is actually exhale. Okay? Hembus. Isi padu rongga thorax meningkat. Meningkat is yes, correct. Nombor 2. Nombor 2. Okay? Tekanan udara meningkat. Tekanan udara. Tekanan udara. Oh yes. Tekanan udara dalam rongga ni dia akan menurun dulu. Yang ini is this one. When you tarik nafas, tekanan udara, the air pressure will decrease. So, D. Jawapan D. Okay, meningkat. This one is for exhale. My dear students, yang ni sangat-sangat basic. Rongga thorax kat mana, miss? Yang ini. Okay, this one. Yang the whole thing. Kat sini ada peparu. Kini ada diaphragm. Kini ada sangkar rusuk. So this whole thing adalah rongga thorax. Okay, yang ni adalah rongga thorax. Okay, dia macam balang. You know, like a balang like that. Okay, now. Okay, this one is also my favorite question. Pembentukan oksihemoglobin. Okay, penat teacher buat animation untuk chapter ni. Let me see whether you guys understood or not. W campur dengan hemoglobin, it will produce oksihemoglobin. So, apakah jawapan? What is W? Correct. Oksigen dapatlah daripada oksi. Very easy. Kan? Alright. Nah, screenshot this page. Siapa-siapa nak screenshot, tolong screenshot sekarang. Teacher will not show this after this. Done. Just put down screenshot. Dana? Okay, jom. Nombor 5. Keratan rentas suatu salur darah. Okay, look at the salur darah. Look at the lumen. Lumen ini adalah bahagian ni. Bahagian dalam ni, we call it as lumen. Just put it here. Lumen. Okay. Yang manakah merupakan ciri salur darah tersebut? Yang manakah merupakan ciri? What is the characteristic of this blood vessel? Ciri salur darah tersebut. Okay, nah, give it a try. Ciri salur darah tersebut. If I'm not mistaken, ni bab 3. No. Yes, bab 3. Correct. That's valve A, B. Okay, ada jawapan. All kind of jawapan ada. Okay, let's see. Dekat sini, inside here, ada injap ke? Can you see any valve? Ada injap? Ini? Can you see any valve? Cannot, right? So, don't take. Okay, jangan ambil jawapan ni. So, tak ada P. So, C dengan D automatically salah. Correct kan? Alright. Q, mempunyai lumen yang kecil. Lumen adalah bahagian ni. Bahagian pembukaan ni, we call this as lumen. So, lumen yang ni kecil ke besar? Kecil ke besar? Is it small or is it big? Besar is this one, students. Besar, dia macam ni. This is besar. Yang ni kecil. Kecil is correct, nah. Okay, kecil is correct. Yang ni kecil. This is small. Besar, dia lagi besar macam ni. Cuba tengok otot dekat sini. Ni, otot ni. Up to you. Call me teacher, miss, up to you. But not sister. I'm not your sister. Okay. Mengangkut darah beroksigen. Yes, of course. Dia mengangkut darah beroksigen and then mempunyai dinding yang tebal and berotot. Of course. Because lumen dia kecil, that means dinding ni sangat-sangat tebal. So, Q, R, and S. Q, R, and also S. Okay? Teacher, which teacher? Nah, is there any teacher want you to call otherwise? Okay, faham students? Alright, come. Let's move on to number 6. Yang ini adalah struktur jantung. Apakah perbezaan salur X and Y? X and Y. X and Y. Apakah X? What is X? Students? Tell me what is X? Just put here. What is X? Ada artery pulmonary, ada aorta. What is X? What is Y? Okay, X adalah artery pulmonary, pulmonary artery. Y yang ini adalah vena pulmonary. Okay, aorta dekat sini ya. This is your aorta. Okay, ini vena cava. Alright, so now X and Y. Tell me what's the difference? Characteristic X dan Y. Artery pulmonary dengan vena pulmonary. Artery and vena. This is how to remember that. Okay, later I will teach you. Husna, just one moment. Let me answer this question first. Darah mengalir pada tekanan rendah. Darah mengalir pada tekanan yang tinggi. Darah beroksigen. Okay. There are students still weak in this chapter. Alright. Wait. Let me show you guys first. Wait, students, let me teach this part first. Okay, ini jantung, right? This is your heart, isn't it? Okay. In your heart, cara nak remember sangat senang. Okay, my previous students, they all know V, A, V dengan A. Just remember like that. V, A, V, A. Harid, Sabah. Okay, so yang mana satu V? Dia akan start daripada sini. Vena cava. Okay, V kan? Betul? So, after vena cava, dia akan keluar ke A. Artery. Artery apa? Artery pulmonary. Okay, so ini dah A. So, lepas A, ada V lagi. So, V-nya dari mana? Dari sini. Dia akan masuk ke sini. So, yang ni vena. Vena apa? Vena pulmonary. Okay, dia akan keluar pergi mana? Dekat sini. Aorta. Okay, so dapatlah. Oh my goodness. Shaz, my dear. So dapatlah VA and also VA. Kenapa tiba-tiba ada roti? My God. Okay, so now soalannya tanya beza artery pulmonary and vena pulmonary. Your artery pulmonary and vena pulmonary. Okay, pelajar, ingat lagi tak? Do you still remember artery, vena and capillary? Artery, vena and capillary, ingat lagi tak? Artery dia macam ni. Vena dia macam ni. Ingat lagi tak? Do you guys remember this part? Ingat, right? So, artery, dinding dia sangat-sangat tebal. It's very, very thick. Vena, dinding dia sangat-sangat nipis. Okay, it is very, very thin. This one is artery. Ini adalah vena. Ni basic, ah. Alright, now going back to the questions. Pergi balik pada soalan. X dengan Y, apa beza dia? Mempunyai dinding tebal. X is artery, artery mempunyai dinding tebal and berotot. And then Y is vena, which is your dinding nipis and kurang otot, which is your D. Faham tak? Understand or not? Understand or not? Okay, one moment. Who is Awish in my class? Who is Awish in my class? Awish, you better apologize now. Apologize, get out from my class now. Apologize to her, get out from my class. Okay, done? I'm serious, huh? I don't want to see you in my class now. Okay. You are coming to my class. If you can be respectful, you be respectful. If you think you cannot respect people, you get out. Okay, because I don't have time to teach students who doesn't know what is the meaning of respect. Okay? Okay. All right, come, let's start. Miss, isn't it C too? C is darah mengalir pada tekanan rendah. And then darah mengalir pada tekanan tinggi. Artery is tekanan tinggi. Okay, artery's pressure is tinggi, venous pressure is rendah. Okay, artery's pressure is tinggi, venous pressure is rendah. Okay? Alright, come, move on. Number 7. Akar pokok kembung dimasukkan ke dalam bekas yang berisi daripada larutan dakwat merah. And then selepas sejam, you can see the keratan rentas melalui mikroskop. Okay, now, bahagian manakah diwarnakan merah? Which one is warna merah? You have P, Q, R, and S. Yang ni, what do we call that? Eksperimen yang sangat-sangat famous, Even my kindergarten last time when teacher was, how to say, replacing one of my year 1 class, I taught them this. Teacher taught them this. One of the easiest and fun to do. Still ada student belum tahu lagi this part. I forgot. Okay, come. Okay, can. Alright, come. Okay, yang ni soalan sangat famous because they want to know, examiner want to know kalau pelajar kenal apa itu xylem, apa itu phloem or not. Okay, xylem dan phloem. Okay, so dekat sini, P ni adalah epidermis, kulit luar. Epidermis, kulit yang sangat keras and kulit luar. Okay, now Q ni dia adalah pit, bahagian tengah, pit. Okay, so semasa if you can see any kind of color change, semasa eksperimen ni akan ada color change, you know. So the color change normally kita akan nampak dekat RS. Okay, R dan S, not R dan S, but I will tell you which one is it. Okay, R yang ini adalah phloem, S adalah xylem. Okay. Yang ini, this one adalah larutan dakwat merah. Dakwat merah adalah air, cecair, correct? It's a type of liquid, right? Kalau cecair, it's xylem. Sebab tugas xylem, the what we call that? Xylem's role is to transport water. Untuk mengangkut air. Okay, faham? So, this one is S. Phloem pula, phloem tugas dia adalah untuk makanan, for food. So cara senang tu ingat phloem F. Mula dari F kan? Food mula dari F also, right? So phloem is for food. Senang je. Can Alright. 8. Satu campuran sulfur dan besi dipanaskan. Apakah tindak balas yang berlaku? Sulfur and also besi. Very easy. Sulfur dan besi. Ferrum and also sulfur. Apa? What will happen? Ferrum dan sulfur. Correct. Ferrum sulfur is ferrum sulfide. Okay, iron sulfide. If oxygen, it will become oxide. Sulfur will become sulfide. Okay, easy. Okay, nombor 8 done. Okay, students, screenshot this page. Screenshot this page. Oh, lagging. Sorry. Miss tak nampak masa depan. Miss pun tak nampak masa depan. Memang tak. I pity her. Yasmin, what do you wanted to ask? Kesian that girl. Yasmin, what do you wanted to ask? Nombor 8. Okay, nombor 8 is here, my dear. Okay. Okay, wait. Just now someone asked me something. What's the difference between sulfate and also sulfida? Okay, sulfate, S-U-L-F-A-T, dia ada sulfur dengan oksigen. Teacher write down here. Sulfate, dia ada sulfur campur oksigen. Okay, sulfida or sulfide in English, dia ada sulfur sahaja. Only sulfur. Okay, only sulfur. Can you understand now, students? Okay, am I lagging? If not, teacher will continue. I don't see the screen. Am I lagging? Am I? Oh no. The screen low-key small. What is low-key small? Teacher, the screen is very small. Okay, wait. Teacher, share one more time. I will share one more time. Sabar. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, how about now? Boleh nampak tak? Can see? Okay, now better? I think my screen also cannot see the masa depan already. Okay, some more. Wait, teacher, sulfide is sulfur plus what? Sulfide is sulfur plus only the sulfur sahaja. But why you guys want to learn this? This is somewhere in Form 4, right? Okay, jom. We continue with number 9. Okay, here, ini adalah tindakan haba terhadap bahan P. Gas yang dihasilkan menukarkan air kapuh menjadi keruh. Okay, this is one of the clue. Okay, action of heat on substance P, the gas produced turns lime water cloudy. Apakah bahagian P? What is P? Apakah bahagian P? Bahan P. Air kapur, it becomes cloudy. Air kapur becomes cloudy. Senang sangat. Okay, students, it's calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Why calcium hydroxide? Mana dapat calcium hydroxide? Calcium carbonate, this one. C. Okay, why C? Okay, why C? Okay, we go through one by one. You see, bahan P yang ni, teacher panaskan dulu. Okay, teacher panaskan. So, akan ada sejenis gas, dia akan masuk tube ni, it will enter the tube, and it changes the color of my air kapur. Okay, so my air kapur ni, dia akan, the lime water, it turns cloudy. Dia jadi keruh. Okay, so apakah gas ni? Gas apa yang dikeluarkan dekat sini? So the only one gas yang boleh menukarkan air kapur, the lime water, to become cloudy or keruh is carbon dioxide. Hanya carbon dioxide sahaja boleh menukarkan air kapur menjadi keruh. Okay, only carbon dioxide. Okay, so now bahan apa yang menghasilkan carbon dioksida? We go through one by one. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide tidak boleh menghasilkan carbon dioksida. It can never. Okay, so calcium oksida hanya menghasilkan air. Okay, this one produces water only, but bukan carbon dioksida. Okay, faham? So yang ini kalsium oksida, dia ada kalsium dengan oksida sahaja. Dari mana datangnya karbon? So of course lah cannot. Okay, faham? Calcium carbonate? Yes, that's the answer. Calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate, no, dia tidak akan melepaskan karbon dioksida. Nothing to do with it. So, calcium carbonate sahaja. Okay, easy questions. And famous question as well. Sangat-sangat famous. Okay. Alright. Yang ni, pengagihan tenaga. Distribution system of electricity. Distribution system of electricity. Pengagihan tenaga elektrik. You have transformer P, Q, R dan S. Which one uses step down transformer? Transformer injak turun. Step down transformer. Oh, I didn't show you the answer. Wait. Nah. By now, you guys should know what is step up and step down. Kalau belum tahu lagi, please tell teacher now. Injak turun, step down transformer. Tak tahu lagi. Okay, never mind. I don't know how to solve it. Teacher, saya belum belajar lagi. What is this? What is this? Okay, never mind. Alright, don't worry students. Teacher will teach you. Okay, this one, ini adalah pengagihan tenaga. Distribution system of electricity. So the way kita dapat way kita dapat elektrik dekat rumah macam ni lah. Okay, it's like this. Okay, it starts from station jana kuasa. It starts from power station. How to know? Okay, I'm teaching you guys now. Okay, let's learn this. Let's learn this first. So it starts from power station. It starts from station jana kuasa. Okay, dari station jana kuasa, right? Dia akan masuk ke station transformer dulu. Okay, dia akan masuk ke station transformer. So semasa masuk ke station transformer, yang ini station transformer, right? So the station here, dia akan menggunakan transformer injak naik, step up. Okay, that means from your station jana kuasa ke, how to say, your station transformer, it will use step up transformer, injak naik dulu. Okay, dia akan naik dulu, injak naik dulu. Okay, step up, injak naik dulu. Okay, understand? So, selepas injak naik, dia akan pergi ke P after P is Q. Okay, over here. Dari transformer, dia akan masuk ke pencawang masuk utama, which is over here. Pencawang masuk utama. Your pencawang masuk utama is your injak turun. Okay, so from transformer, and then dia akan turun dulu. Naik first, and then dia akan turun dulu. Okay, faham ah? Dia akan turun dulu. So, dari sini, dia akan pergi ke rumah, dia akan pergi ke dua tempat. First, dia akan pergi ke rumah, and then dia akan pergi ke kilang. Because kita akan gunakan elektrik yang berlainan, right? So, semasa dia pergi ke rumah, okay, if it goes to houses or not to say houses, perindustrian kecil and so on, right? Dekat sini dia menggunakan injak turun. Okay, pergi ke kilang. Semasa dia pergi ke kilang pun injak turun as well. So from here dia akan naik sekali je. Okay, only one time. The rest is turun. Kan? Easy, right? Dia akan naik sekali je. Okay? Only from power station, semasa dia nak keluar, dia akan naik dulu. Okay, dia akan naik dulu. After that, dia injak turun. That's it. So your answer is Q, R, and also S. Okay, very easy. Takkanlah they are going to ask you very difficult questions. Okay, antara berikut, yang manakah ciri-ciri bagi laruan zarah-zarah alfa? Alpha particle tracks. Which one is it? Nombor 11. Alpha particle tracks. Belum belajar, Miss. Okay, ada tak pelajar yang dah belajar yang ni? If not, then teacher will go through the revision. What's this? Alpha particle X. Alpha particle tracks. Ini adalah radioactive. You know that bab radioactive? Bab 8, I think. Yeah, bab 8. Belum lagi. Okay, if haven't yet, never mind. Teacher will explain first. Okay, teacher will explain first. Tak pernah dengar sebelum ni. Because dia bab 8, it's chapter 8. Okay, never mind, come. Okay. If teacher start now, then I need to teach you the chapter first. Okay, teacher will explain only the alpha part. Then maybe next week, teacher akan just do a very quick revision untuk bab 8. Okay, a very, very quick revision for your bab 8. Okay, jom kita start. Alright. Actually, sinaran-sinaran ni, we have alpha, we have beta, and then we have gamma. Student need to know all three. Okay, but teacher akan cover alpha sahaja dulu. Beta and gamma, teacher not going to cover first. Okay, we cover alpha only. Okay, just cover the alpha only. Alpha, the charge is positive. Charge dia adalah positive. Okay, kalau alpha is positive, then beta will be, kalau alpha positive, then beta will be negative. Okay, alpha positive, then beta will be negative. Gamma will be, kalau alpha positive, beta negative, then gamma adalah neutral. Senang je. Okay, senang je. Okay, now, nombor 2. Alpha ni kuasanya sangat-sangat tinggi. Okay, kuasa, the power is very, very high. Okay, the speed, kelajuannya perlahan. It's very, very, it's not that speed. Not to say too slow, but it's not that speed. Yeah, I would say sederhana, something like that. Nah. Okay, now the question is asking ciri-ciri bagi laluan zarah. So just look at this characteristic first. Look at the characteristic dulu. Okay, so ciri-ciri dia kena thick, dia kena tebal. Number 1, it has to be very thick, dia kena sangat-sangat tebal. Okay, why? Sebab sinaran alfa ni dia akan menghasilkan banyak ions semasa dia lalu. So semasa dia lalu, dia akan menghasilkan banyak ion. Okay, so zarah untuk alfa ni dia kena sangat tebal. So then only it can reach. Then only it will be strong enough to reach. So dia tebal dulu. And number two, laluan dia adalah lurus. Sebab dia besar and then the G-sim also sangat-sangat besar, dia tak akan berubah macam ni. Laluan dia tak akan menjadi macam ni. Laluan dia straight je. So dia tebal and dia lurus. So student yang tak faham, it's okay. Just understand until here first. Nanti teacher will explain to you guys next week. So jawapan dia C. Okay, jawapan dia C. So don't worry, because ada pelajar yang belum belajar ni, right? So don't worry, teacher will do a very quick revision next week. Okay? Alright. Okay, nombor 12. Fuse yang manakah dalam litar berikut tidak melebur apabila Swiss ditutup? So which one will never melt kalau Swiss ditutup? Which one is it? Yang lain semua will melt. So yang mana satu yang tak akan melebur? A, B, C, and D. Okay, cuba tengok fuse. This is the fuse. Kat sini ada fuse, kat sini ada fuse, kat sini fuse. So katakan teacher tutup litar ni. Okay, let's say I turn it off. Okay, I turn it off. Which one will not melt? Yang mana satu tidak akan melebur? Okay, zoom sikit. D. Okay, why D? Kenapa D? Can. Next week teacher will do the revision. Okay, correct. Jawapan dia untuk number 12 is D. Kenapa D? So, cuba tengok yang ni. Cuba tengok yang ni. Your watts. So it need to be lowest. Okay, it need to be lowest. That's why it will never melebur. Okay, students, I will suggest you guys later before we end the class, you guys let me know which one, yang mana satu you guys want to revise next week. So then we can do a very quick revision because ada pelajar, I think after bab, if I'm not mistaken, after bab 5 or bab 6, you guys don't know how to do. So we can do a very quick revision. Okay? No. Before class end, just tell me which bab, then teacher will do the revision next week. Okay, come. Number 13. Antara berikut yang manakah merupakan kandungan di dalam peti sejuk? In your peti sejuk. So this one, you guys try to remember your cold pack and also your hot pack. Cold pack and also your hot pack. So dalam peti sejuk, what I have? Kandungan dalam peti sejuk. Ada C, ada D. Untuk buat ni, student need to know your cold pack and also your hot pack. So you guys remember or not? Teacher teach you exothermic, endothermic, cold pack, hot pack, apa yang ada? Yes, correct. So the answer is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. When bisa? When bisa? I think bulan lepas, I think. Few months ago, I guess, my dear. Okay, just go through one by one. Natrium acetate, sodium acetate. This one is for your pack panas. Okay, this is for your pack panas. Okay, so natrium hydroxide, nothing. Memang tak ada kena-mengena. Hydrogen peroxide, also not at all. Then, ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate adalah untuk sejuk. Sejuk, ammonium nitrate, panas, natrium acetate. Okay, just easy. Okay, 14. Look at it. Spring-loaded cradle extends by 20 centimeter when a baby of 4 kg is put into the cradle. Calculate the elastic potential energy. Hitungkan tenaga keupayaan elastik. Tenaga keupayaan elastik. Your potential energy. Jisim tak tinggi. Which one you're talking about? You are asking me the formula? So then you guys should know what's the formula. Hooke's law. Potential energy E equals to 1 over 2 kx square. Okay, you don't know how to calculate this one. Okay, never mind. Come, let's teacher teach you. Who doesn't know how to calculate? Okay, guys, yang ni pun belum belajar dekat sekolah ke? This one also you guys haven't studied in school? Not yet, very big this chapter. Okay, tak apa, jom. Alright, tenaga keupayaan, elastic potential energy, elastic potential, that is EP lah. Elastic and also potential, 1 over 2 K and your X. Okay, yang ini adalah the panjang. Okay, yang ni adalah your panjang. The panjang apa? The spring. Because the spring, it will elast, right? It will just move, right? So, just calculate the panjang. That will be your, this one. Yang K ni is the Newton. Just tengok je berapa Newton. Okay, so let's calculate. Now, we already know bayi ni dia 4 kg. 4 kg. And then 4 kg is equal to 40 Newton, correct? So X adalah 20 cm. How teacher get 20 cm? Dekat sini, X stands by 20 cm. Memanjang sebanyak 20 cm. So X it means berapa panjang. Okay, so now just put in 1 over 2. K adalah the Newton, right? So ambil the Newton. Yes, 1 over 2 is the fixed value. 1 over 2 tak akan it will never change. It will never change. Yes, I will show you guys shortly. Okay, so let me check with you guys first. Okay, 20 centimeter, but then do I need to change? 20 meter ni tukar pada meter first. So it will become 0.20 meter. Okay, 0.20 meter. Then you put in the formula. So in your formula, 1 over 2, 200 with your 20. Calculate and calculate, you'll get 100, 0.4 with your 4 joule. If you guys cannot find it anymore, kalau still tak dapat lagi, then I might need to teach you guys the calculation next week also. Okay? If you guys cannot get it also, then I might need to teach you guys the calculation one more time. Okay? All right. Students, we stop until here. We stop until here. Please let me know what are the chapters that you need revision next week. Yes, can. Bab 5. Bab 6. Basically anything after bab 5, is it? Everything after bab 5, is it? Okay, all right. Okay. I will focus more on bab 7 and also bab 8 because since majority is there, tenaga and kuasa and also your radioactive, and it involve a lot of calculation as well. Okay, it involve a lot of calculation as well. So kita akan start dengan 7 dengan 8, but in between, teacher will cover 5, 6 as well. Okay, teacher will cover 5 and 6 as well. Yes, I want to cover on bahagian C also, but how to do kalau you all doesn't have the basic. Most of the students doesn't have the basic, but teacher will do bahagian C also, don't worry. Yes, girl, can. Nah, screenshot this part. Anyone? Screenshot this part. Oh yes, wait, I will do the calculation. Sekejap. Can. So students, siapa-siapa yang nak try dulu the question on your own, go for it. No problem. Just go for it. Ada. You still have the recording. You have the recording. Amira, are you in the Telegram group? Are you in the Telegram group? If you are there, normally they will update the link there. Okay? Yes. Harriet, are you in the Telegram group or are you a new student? Oh, okay. New students, you guys need to, I think you guys need to attend the seminar first, I think. I'm not so sure, but you guys check with the admin. Okay? Gauri. Yes, Ken. Teacher, somebody asked for Sarkea's number, but I couldn't see who is that. Yeah, I think so. The seminar by Cikgu KR. I think so. So you guys can talk to him if you guys need the material. But if you want the recordings, I think the existing students have the recording. New students, you guys need to, I think need to go for seminar or you guys need to contact the admin first. Mega seminar. I'm not so sure, Harit. I don't know what's the name of the seminar also. Minggu lepas Cikgu KR merajuk. Yeah, I know. What you guys did? Yes, it's completed. Next week, we will go through all the calculations. Siapa Cikgu KR? Wah. Someone changed sir's name. Of course lah, teacher will marah, right? They all are teaching, isn't it? Science only once. Next class is the same timing. Yes, maths teacher. Okay, students, next week we jumpa lagi, but teacher want to focus more on your calculation part. Okay, I will more focus more on your calculation part. Kita akan buat banyak soalan on your calculation first, so you guys can remember this part. Okay? Okay, all right, children. I will end the class now. See you guys next week. Thank you.